Hello everyone, just finishing my title here. How much does SEO cost in South Africa for small businesses? Safe? Cool, my name is Chad and I am a growth hacking and marketing automation specialist. Now, to give you the best perspective of what it is that I can do for you or any business essentially is the following. This video title is about how much does SEO cost in South Africa, correct? Now, let's start by doing the following. The only way you can judge that is by going to actually look at your website's status, the SEO stats of it. Essentially, if we use my website for an example here, which is not nearly done, just so you guys know. The score will be very, very bad. I've been switching things around. And you review your current website's status, how bad it is, how good it is. You'll see mine there, it's already done, because I've done it in the past, but I'm going to go update it. I'm going to log into my account, because I'm the owner of the software, so okay, I'm not going to struggle with that right now. It's always a mission. Let me just go and sign into my... Yeah, he's got to log in. It's fine. Okay, so you want to go and get your site analyzed and see how bad it is, see what needs to be done, see what your competitors are doing. And essentially what you're doing is you're doing a niche analysis. Okay, this is what you should be doing. So I do the following. I go into one of my investments and I look at my blaster. Okay, well that signs in there. Okay, we'll start with this one. So essentially you want to do an SEO report. Okay, now what it's going to go do is going to go check at a lot of things, which is great. So I use the software, I'll put in my URL, I'll say generate, and now it'll generate I think it's a 16-page document, PDF, that gives you the status of your SEO. Now the best way to do SEO, I personally believe, and I'm pretty good at it, is by starting with a keyword research. You have to do keyword research. If you don't do keyword research, then it's pointless in moving forward. Before you even start a website, you need to do a keyword research. Before you even do an ad, you do a keyword research. Finding out what people are searching for and using those keywords. So here, I'm going to go to my dashboard here, which is a niche analysis. The software here called Blaster Online. I own lifetime license to all upgrades as well. I'm not going to talk about all of this right now, but it's very, very powerful. For example, I want to go find out growth hacking in South Africa. I want to know who's ranking for that. Okay. Now, I'm in the wrong campaign, so let me do marketing automation specialist, and I'll say, wait, growth hacking. It appears I don't have a campaign for that. So let's create a new campaign. Sweet. Now research that. Okay, so now it's going to go find, you'll see that here it's not going to generate, is this video details? This is niche analysis, yeah, okay, so it's researching. It's going to go and find, everything on the internet, essentially. And you'll see there I'm second and third and fourth and fifth for growth hacking in South Africa. I didn't even know that. Wow. Okay, so that's the videos that I've been shooting, but I haven't been physically taking these videos very seriously, like in the sense of I haven't been um, making the videos about the actual topic. I've been testing the SEO. Okay, so it tells me here that this guy's ranking first. He's got the keywords, keyword matches, which is our keyword. Growth hacking in South Africa. He's got that. Growth hacking in South Africa. He's got that. Good. So he's got 1. Okay. Keyword matches in the description, 0. Tags, 0. So I don't understand how he's beating me here. Well, I can, because I've got 0. Well, that just makes a lot of sense now. Okay, so now I find out what's going on. I can see who's ranking at the highest. I can see who do I have to beat and how I have to do it. So here it tells me very easy to rank. So first of all, I did a niche analysis. Now I'll come do a video details or a keyword. Come and do the keyword research. Or we do a keyword research and we get we get an idea of what to post and what to physically search for or utilize. So here I'm going to go find into main keyword. And here check it's going through YouTube, going through Amazon, going through Google, going through all of it. And it's going to tell me there's not that much data because it's not a very widely known topic, growth hacking. Once it's done, it'll tell me exactly what to use, and it gives me all these keywords: new marketing automation and growth hacking specialist in South Africa. Boom. So that's a good one. Growth hacking in South Africa 2000 in review. So here I get the keywords. This is great. I can copy the keywords and I can use them wherever I want on my website, etc., etc. So let's come and do an SEO report. So here's the review or the document of my SEO. Okay. So guys, before I continue, I was just doing all of this while I was waiting for this to load. This is something completely. It's also to do with SEO. Okay, but it's the long way, and it's a method. It's a method that I use to rank first real fast. Okay, but now the very first thing you need to do when you are analyzing the cost of SEO, okay, you need to come and look at how bad your SEO currently is. So I know mine's going to be pretty bad. So the first one, 16 characters, it can be 70. Okay, meta description is 0 found. So I need to do a lot of work on my actual site, but I'm busy with that. So the way we physically go and look at the price of it, or the way I do, is I go look at how many mistakes there is and how long it will take to physically fix them based on the amount of mistakes. Then I go and do a keyword analysis, a niche analysis to see who's physically ranking first. After I know how much who's ranking first, I go and do a keyword research or another keyword research module through Moz, best keyword company in the world, by the way. Okay, once I'm signed in here, simple. Go to Moz Pro, go to my campaigns. And you'll see I'm tracking two campaigns here, and I've got, my stats aren't the greatest right now, but it's because I've moved over to something else. Very long story, but I'm still ranking, 10, for those 10 keywords that I optimized for. I don't want to lose them. Now we come to the keyword research module here. So keyword research. I'll type in the same. And I'll change my location. Does a beautiful research for me. Tells me the organic click-through rate's 100%. It's very rare, which is great. And then it gives me 33 priority points, meaning that's the urgency. Okay. And then difficulty 9, very low, which is good. So here, check out this. Tells me the first 3 guys ranking for that keyword. So I open up my 3 guys, my 3 biggest competitors. Obviously this page is going to have heaps. Okay, now you want to come find in this page, it will be nearly impossible to beat LinkedIn, but there is ways. You can just go Control F, Command V, and see that this page, right, is not showing any of those words on this page. So if you go Growth Hacker, then it will show 7 out of 7. Then it shows you exactly where the words are on the site. Now if you go to the other ones, you do the same. Not one. Oh, Command F. Also not one. So if I want to rank for the keyword growth hacking in South Africa, which I'm going to do right now, because this is astonishing. Okay, I'm going to go and optimize for that keyword. I'm going to add this now to my keyword research, add to campaign, grow coach, and in my website, I'm going to go add a header, change default, and I'm going to now optimize for growth hacker in South Africa, growth hacking in South Africa. That's what I'm going to go do now. So essentially, guys, that's the idea behind it. There's a lot more behind this. I just really wanted to test something, and I wanted to test my my tech because it's a bit down. Have a lovely day.